Sometimes I get so frustrated. I just don't have enough space on my vanity or sink area to do all that I need to do. I really was looking for some help. And then, thank goodness for Sink Topper. Check this out. This sink topper will help add usable sink space. And if you're using like your curling iron, it is heat resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. And it holds up to 7 pounds of items on top of it. And the surface is textured for makeup brush cleaning as well. This should do the job. Let's try it out. I actually got 2 sent to me. So depending upon how your sink is made will determine which one works best for you. Let's just try them out. So this one is great for a square kind of a sink. Actually, it could still probably work on mine as well. Just depends on if things will fall off. Oh my gosh, it grips easily on there. Here's a bottle. We could just sit it there. And I still have usable space. Perfect. And check it out. I can still use the faucet as well. That is so great. But let's try the other one. And when you're finished using it, you can just create your little hook and hook it wherever you have a space set so that you can have it readily available. Hi, let's try this one. Oh, wow. Now that one is perfect. I love that. Now I got that extra space that I need, and I can actually keep my soap and my hand wash right over there. And again, I can run the water. I can have my products out available for me. I can clean my brushes if I need to right here on this easy textured cleaning surface. Does it get any better than this? I'm loving this already, and you're going to love it too. Check it out. I want to thank Sink Topper for sending this over to me. Great. This is a keeper.